Welcoming, guys. Good afternoon. Back at it again with another live stream Sunday. And we are at Magic Kingdom. We are going to do the 7 dwarf ride. My early or my late? I don't know. When you tell me if my early or my late. I'm going to bring up on this here now.
Keep going all the way down for me, guys. We're taking up all those corners, all the way up to the walls. Take up all the empty space, folks. Keep the line going up.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, thank you. Lanka, what's up? Thank you guys. Thank you for liking the live. Sorry, we did have a little bit of technical difficulty earlier because the signal did weak in the dungeon, so you can't see. We're then at the underground. Big up yourself from Germany. Thank you guys. Welcome in. Welcome to our live stream Sundays. We will be doing a underground train. Yep. Wagwan, Star, welcome in. Is it head up? All right, let's go. Simonet, Wagwan, let's go. You know, see, guys, I'm gonna be screaming so much. You know? Oh my God! We're at Magic Kingdom and we're on this train ride. Oh my gosh, guys, thank you for the thumbs up. Rebecca, I appreciate you. We're doing good. Ready for scream? Oh my gosh. Jesus, murder! Let's go! My neighbor already. Jesus Christ, have mercy. Oh wow. Let's go. Oh wow. I never ready for that one day, guys. I was that ready for that one. I did shot and they have some dips. Have some dips, you see? Mercy God, we never ready. Guys, how was that one? Thank you for the thumbs up. Counts, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. I appreciate you. Stewart. Wow, okay guys, we are out. We are out. Why, may I tell you? Why me so late? Jesus. Me don't know. Me don't know. We get a late start this morning. Late start this morning. Thank you for holding me accountable. I'm going to have some little problem with the signal because when we did another line there, like the one John Shee, I guess because we did the underground, the signal did very iffy. So yeah, we're there now though. We're there now. We're ready, up and running now. So good morning. You remember good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Big up on yourself. Welcome in to the live stream Sunday. Today we are at Magic Kingdom. And we are bringing her around, giving her the grand tour of everything, taking up on some more rides. Hopefully, the other ride them will go on. Them a little bit faster. No underground. No underground, so me can get for sure the full experience. You understand? Glad you're late today. I am in. Okay, Simonet. Your day off, that nice. I'm glad then you want to look at Sunday. That not bad. Thank you, Simonet. I appreciate you so much. Big up yourself, Boom Blast. Thank you for checking in. I appreciate you guys. All right, let's walk. I said to home, I did hungry and the place at me already eat one ice cream, so nobody murder me. So I eat and not go no none. But don't worry yourself, man. We are go outside today. Here, thank you for thumbsing up the live. When I pick on a Sunday dinner already, because I post the Sunday dinner now. Because last week, I post late and them angled become over here live, we don't know. Me over here live, we don't know. So them like, why you so late? And I'm like, guys, me late but me reach, alright? Me normally early, so nobody angle me too much. I don't like it's a regular thing. Give me a pass. Give me a little pass. So they say, alright. Scorpio, Wagwan, Alicia, how you doing? Alright, so this was the ride that we went on earlier. So one of them I come around here. When you can get to see it better. I haven't picked as yet, but how I pick. Stuart, pick one food, one plate of food. You see, I pick the 4, 3, 1, and no picking out a different order. It is the same thing. No picking all. Just because no change up the order, the number, that means say, woo, look there, guys. Yeah, that was nice. That's what we did. So yeah. Yeah, man, and I suggest that to everyone too. I appreciate you guys for participating. May I appreciate I really do. But can we just please pick one food? One. We're on a budget over here. We're not gonna pick off everything where everybody else gets. Limit, man. Sure. All right, let me see what else. So over here, so too, a place hot right now. It is about 80 degrees or so. But over there, them have a little kiddie water area where people then dress up in them swimwear and them have water sprinkle all over the place. They can go in there, go cool off. I think that's nice if you want to do that. I know I walk like a fastish, but I run myself. I get to know the somewhere where we want to go. So this one we're going in the Brainstorm. 5 minutes wait, coming on like wait, you know. So that one is very fast. Very, very fast. May I try well if one as steady as possible. Hold on. Thank you guys. Welcome in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh. Thank you. Up there we have the Tron. I don't know if I don't know about Tron. It's lightning speed roller coaster. Lightning speed run roller coaster. So I think while we're here we might see one pass. But if we don't look good. I don't know if you ever watched that movie, Tron. But it is very fun. I did do a live on that the last time I did come here. So if you want, you can go and watch the live replay. See there? Look at them. Look there. Cheers. Nice, fun, fast. I love that ride. But that ride you have to join queue though, like a virtual queue, and the wait time all 6 hours. May I tell you? It's fairly new, so everybody come here, the line they full more than everything else. But yeah, we are going to ride now. Them say a 5-minute wait, so let's see what they do. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. If you not eat yet, I hope you not have a nice Sunday dinner. Enjoy a Sunday dinner. 2 meat preferably. Yeah, make sure to get the leafy vegetable pan the side, please and thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. We just reached our 145k subscribers. I'm gonna say wow. You know I do it. Thank you. I also have this new channel membership thing that I set up. So if you want to be a part of that community, you can definitely join the membership to support my channel. With the membership, you get like stickers, and beside your name, you get like a star beside your name. So anybody who see that, even me, you see this star, it shows that you are a member of the channel. I thought that was pretty cool, Miss. All right. So yeah, if you want to do that too, you can just go to the community post when we post all of the food them, and once you scroll down you see it, join my channel membership, you can see that. But guys, I love and love alone, man. Thanks for the support all the time. Oh guys, also okay, when I say everybody a foodie and stuff, we have this new series we're gonna start. We have this new series where we are gonna start a food series, and I'm excited. I'm so excited to share that with you. The first episode is gonna drop October, the first Wednesday in October on my channel. So make sure to subscribe, turn on that post notification, because we know so we are foodie right through. So it's gonna be with cooking. Different people from all over the world are gonna come and cook too, and just showcase their culture. It's gonna be so nice. It's gonna be great. I am super excited. So never have I ever never do not like this before. So I am definitely excited to share it with you guys, and just be on the lookout feed. Me just giving you a lookout, you know what? A little highlight, like you know what's to come. So it's gonna be great. I'm excited because we're all foodies. Come eat a lot of food for me and you. I'm going on the road. All right, Stuart, big up yourself. Thank you for always checking in. Appreciate you. Big up, man. Be safe on the road and make sure you get something to eat. Catch up your stomach while you're on the road. Because I don't know, come like as me reach on the road, me hungry. As me reach from the road, me hungry.
There's a little choppy up there, so please don't lose items before we take off. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the plane.
That was a quick ride, yeah. We have got another one now. Jamaican Songbird. Okay, me like that name. There, you a singer? Nice name.
Take the hat off.
Oh yeah, thank you. All right, guys, next ride. This one I think it's called the Barnstormer. Oh, we're ready. Murder. Yee. We are ready, guys. Let's go. Yeah, I sing. Love that. You post on your videos on your channel. I'll check it out. Ooh, we're going up. We're going up. We're going up. Let's go, guys. Why? No, sir. Jesus. No, sir. Wow, that ride a rough door. Rough and short. Wow. Guys. Awesome. That was just too quick. That rider was too quick. I'm never ready. It very rough. It very rough. It come like a rocky road. Them patrol them where they are Jamaica. Yeah, need to fix the road. Yeah, me probably need some better seating or something. Me not tell no like boy rocky bad. It rocky bad. Me go through it. Me feel like the whole of the board with a spine rearrange. That drop was cool though. But when you start taking corner, they come like it does a clap or something. I say, no, sir. Shaky. Alright guys, so I keep walking. I can't bother with the long line today. So that's why we kind of go up on the ride them more short. But as you can see, the ride with the short wait time, it is not all that exciting. You know, and sometimes the ride itself short too. Yeah, them the ride there. Them the ride I ride. They are growing on me. At first, boy, you could catch me going on one, sir. I ride on the kiddie ride that me gone. Oh, the membership? It's for anyone who want to join. It's for anyone who want to join. I think it is $2.99 also. $2.99. And what it does, it puts a star beside your name, and you can use the emotes, the custom emotes, and everybody can recognize that, you know, you are a member of the channel. It gives you that look of something beside your name. So any of my videos that you comment on, any food posts, anything that I post, it shows that you are a member and you support me. Yeah, that's what that does. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. would you visit here? May I do my poll vote? Because I know my son will love it. Magic Kingdom. And yes. Not sure. So guys, so a place at me done already box down my ice cream car. Place at man. That not sure with the face. Hold on, guys. I come here type something and I already get to see just in case you not comment. All right, there we go. We are so any country, doesn't matter where you are, Simone, where you're from, you can become a member. Yeah. When I also do the live, post this live replay, I will put it in the oh, there's a show going on. Is that Frozen? There's a show going on right now. You know me, I walk and I shake on up too much. No new friends. Wagwan, you late but you reach. Screenshot. Wagwan. Big up yourself. Welcome in. Oh my God. Wow.
Now join us in welcoming back our new friends from the land of the witching bayous, Tiana, Naveen, and Lewis.
That's from that's from Frozen. Let it go. Oh, and there's Tiana. Wow. That is so nice. When I see it, want me zoom in? Let me see if we can zoom in a little bit for now.
From the land of the enchanted woodlands, Flynn Rider, Vladimir, and Popan.
Aww. I want to see Tiana. She's on the side.
From the land of the
There she is.
mountains, Elsa, Anna, and Olaf.
Oh, thank you, beautiful skin. Thank you. Appreciate that. Woo! There's the snowman, yes.
an adventure for sure.
Trying something new.
And having this sweet new time, you win.
Finding the confidence to be true to yourself. That's right.
Here's to all of us, old friends and new.
Warm hugs for everyone.
Oh, this is what I love about the picture day.
Ah, two guys ran out of all. Rain a fall. Let's get out the rain. A beer rain and fall, I can't believe. I know, so I check your weather this morning and they say no rain. Kill me though. Okay, so we are going to one shop. I could go inside. Wow. Hopefully before the rain they cool off. Okay guys, so here at Magic Kingdom they do have a Christmas shop right throughout the year. It doesn't matter what time a season it is, they always have that Christmas shop, so you can go and you can get your like Disney ornaments with your favorite characters. Mickey Mouse, you have like Tinkerbell, Goofy, all of them, you know. So you, if you do have like a family member or friend who have a favorite character or just love Christmas in general, you know, you don't have to wait till Christmas time to come. And I like this one. Look at this one. That is nice. I like it. Jack, Wagwan. Yeah. And they have a lot of different things. Even Wakanda Forever. You know, they have a lot of different. Oh, bro. It is nice. But yeah. Still raining, guys. Mercy. It's a good, blessed day. That is it, Jack. It really is. Yeah, it really is.
Want to go on the train?
You guys are walking. Okay, so we're gonna go on. I know I wanna love. Yes, boat ride. I wanna love boat ride. So let's go. Let's go on a boat. Let's go on a boat. Aye. This one is the Liberty Bell, Rivers of America. Yeah, let's go see some things. Welcome in, guys. Happy Sunday. Welcome to the live stream Sunday, where we go live every Sunday, bringing us somewhere and, you know, get to experience a lot of different things. If you want to go on vacation, you have an idea, you know, you can watch my lives and say, okay, I want to go here and you want to experience that because this is something you like. So I'm like, okay, that's good. As you can see, rain still a fall. Wanna see? If you wanna look towards the trees, you can still see that. So I think the boat ride would be good right now. So let's do it. Over there is a haunted mansion. As you don't know, some people celebrate Halloween. So if you're into that kind of stuff, yeah, haunted mansion. Me could never. Could and never. Me not afraid. Me not do them things there. Me too Freddy. No, sir. Nope, get somebody else to do it, not me. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for thumbsing up the live. I would have taken her upstairs, but due to all the rain I fall. Due to all the rain I fall up there. I think you better with Tami, I say, yeah. Showers of blessings. That is it, Simonette. That is it, man. Yes. I agree. 100%. So may I wait on the boat to load up, and then after we go on. Can walk around and show now. Guys, it's a boat and I'll load up for today now, because I just 3 people left on the boat. But as you can see, them have a lot of things here you can try. A lot of places you can take some nice picture. Tonight they do have a Halloween party going on, starting at 6. Me not come here, so no, sir. That's 3 o'clock reach or 4 o'clock me gone. Once you come to them something there, it's a no for me. I can't manage them something there. I'm too Freddy. I try well not as steady as possible. When I walk, I know I shake up and I look a brain, look a bit. The bear. Oh, you was just there, Williams? Oh, I hope you had a great time. I hope you had a great time. I hope you ate a lot of food. You did a lot of things. You took a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. You have a lot of memories. Did you go on the Tiana ride when you were here? Yes, I'm a Jamaican. Wow, go on, big up yourself. I want to do that ride, but the wait time look like, ooh. Wow, when I get the people in my scream out. Yeah, that's the Tiana ride. I think they call it the Bayou Adventure. Them change it because it was something else and they changed it over. You did it? Oh my gosh. How was that? We want to do it so bad, but boy, that wait time is a lot. Go late afternoon, 5 or 6. 5 or 6, they're gonna be having a Halloween theme party, I guess. So today the park I go close off for that. But yeah, that's a very good look there. Ooh. I'm too scared to do all of the Halloween stuff. Not big. Like when we go do the trick and treat, give me the food, anything candy like we to eat. The man, that drop is a killer. That drop remind me of the drop of Jurassic Park at Universal in California. That drop, God no. It took my breath away. It took my breath away. I ain't gonna lie. All right, the rain kind of stopped now, so I'm happy about that. You can see everybody in a them Disney outfit. They got the Mickey ears. That is so cool. And I did try the Tiana's famous beignet. I saw beignet, so good. Love it. Nothing to me like a beignet them at New Orleans though. Them the one days eat at Cafe Mandu. Cheese. With them hot chocolate guys, if you don't ever go there, so that is a must try. Also the char grill oysters. Me not even know them a go deaf me. Me not even know say me is a oyster person, but it's like raw oyster and them thing they make ya. But when they try the char grill oysters and it has the cheese, panny and everything. Woo. Try the river tube. I think I never planned for the river tube, man. I never planned for this tube. I never planned for no water activities. Hi, Kumar. Oh, I go and big up yourself. Okay, Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's do it. Johnny Depp. Anybody ever watch Pirates of the Caribbean? That's the ride we're going on right now. Let's go. 15-minute wait. Not too bad. By the time we go, so boop, 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 and walk around, we good. Hi, welcome in, Kumar. I hope you're having a happy Sunday. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. Oh, man, I didn't see so much likes. Okay. Thank you for everyone that liked the thumbs up my live. Thank you. You're not. Oh no. Okay, Williams. I thought it was like a water ride where there will be. Yeah, water. I go chew up on you. So thank you for letting me know that. If me pass on my seat, I'll probably do it. So I go down your line right now. Thank you, Williams. You know what? This is what I like. I like when people share like what they know. Because if anyone asks me anything, you know, guys, me share with you too. So I'm like, wow. This nice. This nice though. All right, William, big up yourself. Not much, you see? I that with you now. I that with you, William. Next thing I go drown the phone and the phone go mash up. I never plan for this. I never bring no waterproof case and none of them something there. I never plan for the waterworks. Yes, also guys, if you never hear me the first time, so we have a new series that it's gonna be a cooking series. We're gonna start on the first Wednesday in October. It's gonna be dropped. Yes, it's gonna be awesome. About that series, it's different culture, different people from different culture all over the world will be coming in and showcase like a traditional meal from their home. And tell us about their history, the way how they grew up, you know, some of the popular things they used to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, Christmas time, you know, popular drinks. It's gonna be great. So you do wanna stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel as yet, don't be shy to hit that subscription button, okay? Don't be afraid to hit that subscription button. Also, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time when I go live, because I don't have like a specific time when I do go live, but I know that it's gonna be on a Sunday, and when I do, you will be notified. All right? Yeah. This looks like Harry Potter ride. Why? I went on that Harry Potter ride, and I didn't go back. I did not go back premium. I couldn't do it. This ride is the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Hopefully it's not too crazy, cause jeez. Yeah. Big up yourself, premium. Yeah, Pirates of the Caribbean. Johnny Depp. Man, I love that movie so much. I need to watch over back that whole movie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Such a good movie. All right, we are at Magic Kingdom, Disney World. And we are going on the, you see, premium, me I go say Harry Potter, I know. We're gonna go on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Yes. We are in Florida. I am still watching the movie. Yes, I love it so much, man. Simonet, it's such a good movie. I can't get tired of it. Like, if you're bored and you just want something to watch and you don't know what to watch, definitely. Thank you for everyone that's thumbsing up the live. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Everyone that is also, you know, participating in the comment section on the food, in the community post section, guys, massive love. Thank you guys for being so interactive. I say, whoa, I wanna make me keep posting, you know, cause I just the energy. I'm like, wow, I just the energy, man. I say, oh, I have to show up for my people. And the people, they must show up for me. I can't let them down. I have to show up. So I'm like, yeah, I love that. Guys used to say, we're in the darkness now, but I said, not me now. Let's go. Pirates of the Caribbean vibe. Look at our room and them thing there. Love it. I do have a poll vote going on, guys. Would you visit here? So feel free to answer the poll vote right in the comment section. Click yes or not sure. And we are still walking. What a place long. I now don't walk for now. Where are your daily motivation? Hi. We are at Magic Kingdom at Disney World in Florida. And we will be going on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Yes. So this is why we're in this line right now. I'm going to take you guys with me. And I go live every Sunday. I don't have a specific time when I do, but just subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified, and you know, be here and interact with me and talk to me, ask me any questions or anything, you know. Yeah, it's always good to be here with you guys. It's always good to have you guys here. Shaman, whoa, whoa. But as you can see, you see the vibe, and we are getting closer and closer. Eh, mama. Okay, as you can see, guys, you see the entrance. Thank you. Over there, so. That's how we get on the ride. We can't see the ride right now, so we're not that far. We are not far. We know that it's 45 minutes, but we reach way before that. Cause the line non-stop. It just a trickle. Well, but I never bother say none. See, you stop here now. You stop here now, but it a move fast though. The vibe here, it is very cool, very spooky. If you guys celebrate Halloween or you're into that kind of stuff, tonight they're having a Halloween theme party. It's $100 to get into it. They're gonna have different shows, costume competition, a whole heap of different things. I am not going. I am not like, I mean, I love Halloween like that. So, but because I'm there, I'm going to say just a pass on the information. So, you know, somebody might be in the area, somebody might be into that, and you never know. So, yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up. Also, guys, I am excited. We have a new cooking series dropping on the channel the first Wednesday in October, and new videos will be dropping every Wednesday. So you do want to stick and stay for that. Basically, gonna get a lot of different chefs from all over the world to come on the show, and they will be showcasing like what they cook from their home, you know, them country, you know, the popular meals. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a whole thing. They might go actually teach you how to cook it and all that thing. As you know, say me can't cook. Me can't cook none at all. But once you come to food, me I go eat the food. Yeah, me I the tester. I'll take the pictures of the food, I'll record the food, I'll eat the food, I'll stir the pot, I will cut the season up. Yep, I'll do the dishes. But when it comes to the cooking, why red flag? I will do everything else. So yeah, I'm excited for that to kick off. I hope you guys like it though. It's different, you know. It's not just Jamaican food. Well, Jamaican food definitely I gonna be on it too, but it's just all over the world. All the island people. The first guest we're gonna have is gonna be from Puerto Rico, and we have some already lined up from Dominican Republic, New Orleans, and a lot of other places. So I'm excited to see that. And yeah, the first Wednesday in October it's gonna drop. It is gonna drop on my channel. It's gonna be crazy. So yeah, I'm excited for it. Alright guys, we're so reach. Thank you everyone who subscribed to the channel already, who there when the live I go on all the time. Alright guys, here we are. Right to the water ride. My mama. Are we next? Oh, a two side. Okay. 6. Right here. All right, guys. Are we next? Boy.
Ahoy there, crew. For your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms,
Yes,
feet, and
Lord.
legs inside the boat. And watch the children, and no flash pictures. Prepare to make sail. Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco.
All right,
Y cuiden a
guys.
los niños.
We're ready. We are inside the boat. A little boat. Make sure arms, feet, legs, everything inside. Hold on by your belongings. And we're gonna go. Let's. I don't want nobody else screaming there. I know. I can't bother with the noise. So, you hear me? No bother with it. Right? I like it, Simonette. I might get open on the day. That's what make me afraid. Me mama. Nothing here to make me afraid. I'm afraid of Freddy now. If anything ever jump out for me out here, murder. I done it done. I mean, got this. See what if anything I said that we are work with. My Christ. Guys, it not look good. No, I'm gonna be honest, it not look good for true. No, this don't look good. I want to turn back. No, this really and truly not look so good. Those what? Jesus Christ. Guys, we are going to remember my one dance. Yeah, so. No, sir.
Fight the mother aloft, begin. Where may Captain Jack Sparrow and the treasure shall build ramps? Fight them aloft, begin. Where may Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up, or may your fancy asleep in the day
Anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for these hearty eggs? Every one an egg layer.
Not less they be laying golden eggs.
You'll never find the treasure without a look at this weird man. And it's only key to the treasure.
Wow. Guys, there's a lot going on. Never heard that. What you donkey? No, mama. We never ready for this, guys. Let's have Pirates of the Caribbean ride on, boy. I'll know me I look for the pirate, I can't see. I tried to see him one time. But look at the sky though. Darkness. So if you're out there and you want to cool off, this is the best place to come. Cool right down.
What? Hit him with a silver.
The dog a body girl. Oh, but I say well, I church today. Find a treasure room. Oh, there he is. There he is, guys.
Yo ho, yo ho. My bow. Please gather your treasures and walk your steps, your hand in shift.
Wow. View. Yeah. It's different. In the end, Johnny Depp was in a room with the treasure and he was there drinking. It was pretty cool. Have an escalator going up.
He's been kind today, but who can tell what pages lie
Yep.
on stranger tides? My words.
And the lights too and everything. Boy, that right there, boy. I never ready for that one day. You see the first part where you do that little drop them and say, wow, I do me, I know. But that was it. That was it. So I did alright afterwards. See the people dress up like Johnny Depp. I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, guys, we're outside back in the light. Yeah, it was alright. Yeah, it did alright with you. You know, we just try everything, you know, the do's and the don'ts. Would I go back on that ride? No. Was it alright? Yes. Okay, guys, walk with me. Walk one red room. Big of yourself. We are at Magic Kingdom in Florida. Anything when I sit on, I sit to. Oh, it didn't like that. Yeah, big up yourself. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. That's so much likes someone give me. Thank you. I appreciate it. And everybody that's answering in the poll, vote. Would you visit here? me say it's a lot of walking. Me put on my walking tracker. Me put on my tracker. See how much step me do today.
Hold Kevin up a little bit higher.
But it is good though. Walking good for you. I saw no love walk up and down. You guys don't feel hungry now. I don't want to eat. I mean, I don't want nobody say jerk chicken because we don't have that here. I don't want nobody say jerk chicken. I don't have to go down. Let's see what they got. Screenshot. Da-da-da-da. So, steak tastes like chicken because it is crispy fried chicken. Yeah, man, how we that? French chicken, that's us. Enchanted orange dream Dole Whip. Coconut bar. Pineapple basil. Yep. Yep, let's try it. Alright. I'm gonna get a menu for you guys so we can see what we have.
For two, it's good on like less than 10 minutes.
Oh, really? On the fire. Alright, let me see them. I have like pork, chicken, steak, lamb. I like lamb, you know. From what they know, say I like lamb, but guess I'm the problem with me and the lamb now. It can't fold my bed. It too small, man. It come like me just use a pick up my teeth. I don't like that. I want something with it, you know, get like a substance. So I wanna feel for based on the selection when I give a no. Then I have steak, lamb, fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, what if I drinks. I like that cheerio though. We take a seat. Yes, Lord. Lost and found soup. That not sound. Enchanted dream. Wine. When I look, fried chicken. Yeah, you can't my name right there. So you can't go wrong with fried chicken. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, over here, so get something heavy. That is it, Alicia. Steak, fish. I say right here.
Oh, bok choy.
Pork, chicken, noodles, noodle bowl. Ooh. Lamb chop. Curry. Boy, that not sound so promising. I can't eat curry from everybody, you know. You guys don't see menu talk to me. Wanna say no. Red room say fried chicken. Alright. But everyone may go me just and fried chicken, so just a chicken. Get you something good and heavy to fuel you. Pork and rice. Rice and pork. Yeah, that not sound bad. rice. All right, what is on? Marinated pork tenderloin served with house picked vegetables and jasmine rice. That not sound bad. That not sound bad. And the rice will full me up a bit. One of things. Hello. Seductive. Hi, welcome in. Red room curry is not maybe equally certain. True. True red room. True. So that's why we have to be mindful. We have to be mindful, right? So based on what I say, guys, should we have the steak? They have fish, pork, chicken, noodle bowl, or lamb chops. Which one? Because I wouldn't know anything in the same majority say that I work with it now, so I'm not going to stay there. Guess we're ready. Yep. All right, guys, I'm full with time. Thank you, Seductive. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Big up yourself. Thank you for supporting my channel. I appreciate you. Thank you, everyone. So this a place I big we run. I back them I bring me guys. Mama. Thank you, Seductive. I appreciate you so much.
You're welcome. You can just keep it over your server. He's coming soon. You can just menu ready for you. I got the other one.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, he coming soon. And doesn't go.
All right, guys. Big up on yourself, Winkle. Deal with this here now. All right, love alone. Have a blessed day. Thank you all for joining me. Big up yourself. Share the videos them to all of your friends. Oh, before my left, do remember the first Wednesday in October we'll be having a new cooking series on the channel. So you know everybody over here, we are foodie, we love our belly. It's gonna be great. Look out for it. The first episode is gonna be dropping. All right, October, the first Wednesday in October. It's gonna be great. We're gonna get different people from all over the world, from different countries. We're starting with Puerto Rico, and you know they're gonna cook one of their traditional meals. It's gonna be a whole show. It's gonna be great. So look out for that. All right. Big up on yourself. Love and love all with guys. Okay. Bye. Red room. Big up. See my neck. Big up.